Well, you should definitely come to the Xamarin Developer Summit. It's going to be in Houston at the Woodlands Waterway Marriott, July 11th and 12th. And you can definitely pick up your ticket at xamarindevelopersummit.com. We're going to have content just across the board. If you're brand new to Xamarin, you've maybe never even built Hello World, we'll have resources there for you. If you've been around for a long time, you're going to get to meet other developers that are just doing some amazing things. I mean, we have people that are coming from Australia, people that are coming from China, people that are coming from Africa. I mean, it's just all over the globe. It's really going to be an exciting event where you can see cross-culturally even where people are at, the problems that they're encountering in development, solutions that they're finding, and kind of how to really address business problems that you may have.